naman, sir. Good day. I'm Edna Roel Servo. I'm 37 years old. My height is 153 centimeters. So my educational is high school graduate. And I'm here in the Philippines. Also, I have two daughters, two girls. And I have no tattoo. And no long-term meditation or no maintenance. And I have work experience as a domestic helper 5 years and 4 months. And my prepared duties and responsibilities in our house are taking care of her kids, taking care of elderly, healthy, and also I can take care of pets, small cats. And also, ma'am, I can ironing, laundrying, marketing, car washing, gardening, and I love cooking and likes sweet, chicken, pork, vegetable, and also, ma'am, and I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. And sometimes, mom, he played her children, and I sing, Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the stars. I promise to you, mom, to do your rules and regulation, and I promise to be honest and hardworking as a domestic helper. I hope you choose me, mom. Thank you and God bless.